Welcome back to Adventures with Rosy, and welcome to a sunny but rather windy Napier.
Yeah, we had a couple of days of not so great weather in Taupo, so we thought we would come and find some sunshine.
Yeah, it was a bit miserable back home. It was sort of been raining on and off all week, and pretty damp, so we thought we'll come to the beach, try and find some sun. We found some sun, but she's pretty windy here. Home for the next few nights is the Napier NZMCA Park. Probably our favourite one, eh?
Yeah, I think we stay here quite often and we really enjoy it. It's nice and open, always heaps of space.
Yeah. When we first started coming here, it was actually a paddock. There was parking in the front and a paddock in the back, and now that whole thing is opened up. They've planted trees down the middle, so come here in 10 years and it'll be incredible camping under the trees. Sort of like native trees, and flaxes between each sort of row of caravans, which is cool.
Yep. Yeah. And they've got a pretty good established herb garden as well.
Oh yeah, herb garden, veggie garden. There's also like a gravel parking lot you can park in as well if you'd rather park on that instead of grass, but really nice spot here. I thought it'd be a lot busier as well. We would drive over late last night and thought, I hope it's not packed. It'd be 10 people here maybe? So pretty good. I reckon you can get a couple of hundred vans in here easy. So yeah, just 10 people, maybe because it's winter, I'm not sure, but yeah.
And even and 8 and 9 and 10.
Harvey's been saving up his pocket money for the last 6 months in his piggy bank. He has had his eye on a Woody from Toy Story toy at Kmart. So we are going to make a little trip today so he can spend his pocket money.
Doing that one and that one.
Have you got enough for Woody?
Nope. There's more to go. 1, 2, 3.
Right, we're here. You excited?
Yeah.
Got your money?
Yeah.
Well, our trip to Kmart was a bit of a failure. They had no Woodies. And it looks like Woodies sold out all across the country when I looked on their store. So Harvey got a bubble gun instead. Son's just about to set here, but he's convinced he wants to play with it before we go inside for some dinner. We've got a mint sunset tonight going on behind us there. Treated to some great views from the caravan tonight. Dinner time now. We are having hamburgers for dinner. And these girls are having steamed vegetables. You girls miss out, sorry. Well, we had a good little night last night. Everyone slept well. Chelsea and I are still in the bunks while we wait for some bunk netting to arrive to secure the girls in there, so the girls have our bed up the front, we take the bunks. These people over here behind us over the fence actually had a party last night. It's quite funny. This NZMCA park is in the middle of nowhere, and it's just surrounded by orchards and fields and stuff, and these guys had a huge party. Just as we put Harvey to bed, they started lighting off fireworks, much to his delight, so he got a free fireworks show out the window. I'm going to chill out, I think, for a bit. We got some stickers to put on Rosy, some Rosy lettering, and yeah, just chill out in the sun for a while. Alright, the Rosy sticker is finally on. She's finally named. Only took us about 9 months to put the sticker on since we've had it. We've got another one for Wireless Nation to go on the back. The good people at Wireless Nation hooked us up with internet a few videos ago. Don't know if you saw that, but they sent us a bumper sticker as well. So we need to give the back a clean at some stage with some essential oils or something to get the old decals off, and then we'll put the Wireless Nation one on the back. Sound good?
Yeah.
I think that's going to conclude our time here in Napier. We're all hooked up now, just about to head back over the hill to Taupo. Being winter, it gets dark about 5 o'clock now, so it's about 2:30 now. Should be a couple hour drive, so we're going to do that. Thank you as always for tuning in and watching. Yesterday we filmed a bit of a day in the life style video, so stay tuned for that. Kind of what happens from the moment we get up in the caravan in the morning to bed, and the effort required for the kids. So stay tuned for that. If you are new here and you haven't seen a tour of our beautiful caravan Rosy, I will pop a link to that up here somewhere at the end of the video, so you can check that out in a bit more detail. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on our next adventure.